we have the reed plate off of the comb, and now we have the task of tuning these. I have two methods. One is the recording I made of the actual tuning of the reed, so I have a record on the reed chart. And the other is I have a correctly tuned harp here to use as a reference harp, and I can plunk the reed and hear it and see if they're in accordance. So let's take a look here. And we'll listen to this second reed and see what we think. I could go just a hair higher on that. I also am going to adjust the reed gap on that. And glasses on. Okay. Okay, done two of them. Now we go to the third. That's only down one. Very little, it's not off much. Couldn't really hear it, it was so small. That'll do it. Good enough. Mark it. And so on, and so on.